Hello students, welcome to my channel Java Wallah. Here we are giving the new training on new age technologies. We are discussing interview questions. Not only Java but also the new age technology, blockchain and quantum computing, big data. The interested candidates can join our online classes. Now the important question is are going to discuss what is exception handling. When an exception when exception arises or there is an exception, traveler, JVM will not terminate. Terminates the program. Then what happens? These are the deep concepts, guys. Then JVM stores the exception messages. Exception messages, messages in an exception stack. Interviewer can ask short question on this. Exception in exception stack and jumps to then jumps to catch flag. Jumps to catch flag. Clear? Then guys, step 2. Step 2. What happens at step 2? It is the procedure. Whole procedure. Step 2. The developer should display exception messages. The developers displays exception messages in the catch flag. See guys, sometimes maybe spelling mistake you can rectify, right? Yes, by mistake some spelling mistake sometimes. Occasionally, no issue. The developers display exception messages in the catch block. Also, developer can display other messages to the user. This is also a question. The developers also can display the exception messages to the user, right? Yes. To who refers to the exception track, right? Yes. Then we will write exception object refers to the exception track. And exception stack is a separate block of memory where JVM store. What is exception stack? Another question by interviewer. Exception stack is a separate block of memory where JVM stores all the exception messages. Exception messages, right? Yes. Then we'll go step 3, guys. Now step 2, what we'll do? What actually happens? The developers display exception messages in the catch block. The developers also can display the other messages along with exception messages. Display other messages. Here mention, yes. Display other messages. Display the other messages to the user. Right? Normal some client messages, right? According to the client requirements, some messages. Okay. Yes, client related some messages, right? Exception object refers to the exception stack. Exception stack is a separate block of memory where JVM stores all the exception messages. Now step 3, guys, I'm clearing the screen. Okay, please note down. Yes. Then we'll go step 3, right? Yes. In step 3, Yes. First point, make it. The developer should close. Developer should close. All the files and databases. Database, because the databases we are using file in the real-time project, right? All the databases inside the finally inside the finally block, right? Yes. Fine. Just last one. Finally block. Remember this, very important. Finally block is executed once. Executed once. Whether there is an exception arises or not. Whether the exception arises or not. Right? Yes. Whether the exception arises or not. Right? That finally block. Step 3 will write the finally block. Right? Yes. Then performing all the above steps. Steps. All the above steps. It's called above steps. It's called what? Exception handling. Clear, guys? Yes. Thanks. If any doubt, students, you can comment in our comment box, or you can contact our given WhatsApp number, EV number. You can get from our website. Thanks all. We'll meet very soon in our next videos.